So here's my unboxing and first impressions of these Keechee bamboo cutting boards. So these were actually sent to me to review and share my honest thoughts. So right away, I like how it comes in this giftable packaging. So let's open it up and see how it looks like inside. So even inside, it has a very giftable vibe. So here's some information about the product. And I like this wrapping paper over here. And these are the cutting boards. I like how they're sealed and secured. So they're very smooth, and they have like a very premium texture. And I like how they have this little drain over here for like the juices from like fruits and vegetables. So overall, these look very high quality. So hopefully this video helped to make a more informed decision about these bamboo cutting boards. I would definitely recommend these. Thanks for watching. All the links and details are in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing.